In this opportunity, I want to show you how to count the occurrences, the repetitions of letters in a phrase. Okay, we start by creating a variable. We can call it phrase and assign this string literal. For example, I will assign Python is a programming language. Okay, programming language. Now, using the counter class, the counter class is stored in the collection module. We write from collections import counter. Okay, we create an instance of that class. We can call it counter. We define the variable and then create an instance of counter and pass as argument the iterable phrase, this string. In a print statement, we use the counter variable as argument and execute this code and see the results. Check this representation of the counter object. We see that the N letter, the N consonant, is repeated 4 times. The space is repeated the same amount. The A, G letters are repeated 4. The O vowel is repeated 2 times, etc. We see that the representation shows the letters in descending order from the letter that has more repetition to the letter that has the minimum number of occurrences in the phrase. Okay.